This is my life straw. With this, you can drink any kind of water. You can drink water that's from a creek or river. Or when the electricity goes out, your tap water won't be good because a UV machine is what makes your tap water safe. So when the electricity goes out for a few days or a week, I don't think the water is safe to drink. So with this, you can drink, let's see what it says, removes 99.999% E. coli, etc. Filters 1,000 gallons. So you need about a gallon a day, so you got 1,000 days to drink water with this. And from what I heard, these things will, once they stop filtering water, that's when you need to replace it. This is another option is having iodine tablets. The only downside is the water does taste pretty bad when it doesn't taste as good. This is a fake live straw. Yeah, it works the same as this, but I don't really know any other details. Water is the #1 prep item.